Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another exciting video. In this video we are going to create a exciting map layout. That is, we can create a map layout in our QGIS with our base map. We'll be adding different type of base map that consists of the OSM standard base map, Google Map and Google Satellite and many other satellite images, that is Sentinel imageries, and that can be used while creating a wonderful map using the digitization process. You can digitize using the Google Map, Google Satellite Imagery, and then you can create a map. You can also take a point of individual feature in the map, look at that point in the map, and you can create a point layer, polygon layer, and line layer from that map. So for that case, what we are going to do is we are going to use a simple plugin. It is a very easy step. You can learn in just 3 minutes or 4 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. You can learn and you can do as much as possible, explore as much as possible. So for that case, we'll be using a simple plugin, that is quick map service plugin, and using that quick map plugin, we can add base map to our map in QGIS. So let's start our video. Okay, I am at my QGIS, so I have create a new project layer in QGIS. I'll go to plugin, and inside plugin you can click on manage and install plugin. So go to not installed and search for quick map service and then click on install. Okay, so after clicking install, you can see here you can see 2 or 3 types of this globe. So let me click on the first globe. You can see this is the meta source, and then you can see here it has already given 2 types of data layer, that is base map. So I'll go with OSM standard map, and you can see I have explored the OSM standard map. So after this, if you want to add more data, you can click on here. This is the third option. This is search QMS. You can directly click on this, or you can go to and click on search QMS. So after that, I will search on Google. So while searching, you can see a different type of map layer. You can see many of the map layer in this map. In this here, I will add one is Google Map, and I will also add one Google Satellite Imagery. Okay, so I'll off this layer, and then you can see this is Google Satellite Imagery. Sorry, Google Map. And okay, I will also off this map, and then you can see Google Satellite Imagery. So you can see this is the Google Satellite Imagery, and using this satellite imagery you can create an individual shape layer, and you can create a beautiful map using this as a base layer. So this much for today. I hope you like this video. You got something to learn from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more and more videos in upcoming days. Thank you very much for watching.